In this video, you will learn how to use waypoints and routes, track your trip, send messages and track weather with your inReach while out on the trail. Let's get started. First, you're going to save your current location as a waypoint. Just open the Shortcuts menu and choose Create New Waypoint. Or open Waypoints and select New Waypoint. When you need to navigate to a waypoint you have already created, just select the waypoint from your list, then select Navigate. To navigate a saved route, select Routes from the home page, choose your route, then select Navigate. This sends a message to your map share page so your friends and family can see which route you are following. Once you're out hiking your planned route, you might want to track your trip. Just open Tracking from the home page and select Start. Choose Share from the pop-up window or from the main tracking page to let your friends know you're starting a trip. This will send a link to your map share page with a customized message. Once you start tracking, you can see your send and log intervals. Set your send interval to how often you want to update map share with your location. Set your log interval to how often you want your place on the trail updated. It should be frequent enough that you can trace your steps back if you get lost. If you want to change the intervals, you navigate to the menu from the tracking page. Or you can find the tracking option under Settings from the home page. When you've finished your trip or you are at a stopping point, go to Tracking and select Stop to end your tracking for the day. inReach also lets you send messages from the trail. On your device, select Messages from the home page, then select New Message. You can enter recipient names directly or open your contacts list. Then send your message to Facebook, Twitter, MapShare, or to the phone numbers and email addresses of contacts you added using the inReach portal. You can select a quick text message, or type a custom message in the text box. When you're happy with your message, send it out to friends and family. You can also use your inReach to track weather from the trail. Go to Weather from your device's homepage to see the basic forecast for your location, or choose Premium for a more frequent and detailed forecast. That's it. Check out the other videos in this series to learn more about inReach.